Hi, hello my dear friends. In this video, I will show you how to make an obstacle avoiding robot. This robot will find its own way by avoiding the obstacles with the help of a ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor acts as an eye of the robot. It will calculate the distance. This calculation will help the robot to avoid the obstacle. Okay, let us go to more details. Okay, these are the components used in making this robot. I will add the details of the components in the description box. Let us move to the circuit. I will explain all the connections. In this circuit, I used Arduino Nano, servo motor, driver IC, wheel motor and ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor finds the distance to the obstacle. According to the input from the ultrasonic sensor, the wheel motor of the robot works. The wheel motor is controlled using L293D motor driver IC. Ultrasonic sensor's VCC is connected to 5 volt, triggering pin is connected to D5 pin, echo is connected to D3 and GND is connected to ground. Coming to L293D driver IC, VS, enable 1 and enable 2 all are connected to 5 volt. The GND is connected to the ground. Input 1 is connected to D2. Input 2 is connected to D4. Input 3 is connected to D6. Input 4 is connected to D7 of the Arduino Nano. According to the input received in the input pins of L293D, the motor rotating direction will be decided. The left side motor is connected to the output 1 and output 2 of the L293D. The right side motor is connected to output 3 and output 4 of the L293D. Here I also used a servo motor. The brown wire of the servo motor is connected to ground. The red wire is connected to 5 volt and yellow wire is connected to the D9 of the Arduino Nano and it is the controlling signal input. That's all about the circuit. This is a software of obstacle avoiding robot. I am not explaining the software because it's a bit lengthy program. So if there is any doubt about the project, you can comment. Okay, thanks for watching. See you the next video.